Ah! The chieftain has been defeated. Any challengers must show themselves immediately or bow to their new chief. Oh. Did you really expect to get somewhere with that attack? Silly. Ah! Stop. I guess you submit then. Bow to me. Good. By victory in honorable combat, I, Nura, am your new chieftain. And as my right hand, I choose this human. Is there a problem? As for the rest of you, your first order will be to hunt down those who just left. I will tolerate no dissent under my rule. Ah, good. Listen, there will be many changes under my rule. The last chief murdered both of my parents and the chieftain before him after winning honorably. I am against such an unnecessary murder, but this was payback. I may seem more merciless than your previous chieftain at first, but my plans are different. Humans and other races are surpassing us in magic and technology, and it's only a matter of time until our race will be nothing but history. You have had the unlikely fortune of inheriting a chieftain with foresight and wisdom, something both our young and elders have been lacking for a long while. Under me, people will thrive who are intelligent, industrious, inventive, and ambitious. I have chosen 5 orcs like that to be my guards. And more controversially, my right-hand man, this human, will be their instructor. I know what you're thinking, but this warrior took out multiple of us with ease, and simply killing him would be the sort of stupidity that kept us in the past. He shall live with us and be treated accordingly to his rank. You don't have to like him, but you have to respect his position. If you try to lay a hand on him, you and your family will be free to go. As a closing statement, the human will be in my custody and serve as my mate. My parents were half orcs and killed because of it. There is room for people like that in our new tribe, because by the end of my reign, we'll be a kingdom. If you have a problem with that, you are free to go. Look forward to the days ahead. They're brighter than whatever you've seen before. There you are. Stubborn. You were fortunate. Stop moping. Care to say that again? I spare your life, so show some gratitude. I gave you 2 of the highest ranks, 3, actually, you could possibly get here. You have no excuse for that face you're giving me. I forgot how complicated human men were. It's your best and worst trait. Just know that you can either go down in history as a legend or as a mopey, sad slave. What are you doing now? In time, if you know what's best for you, you will come to love your fate and appreciate the luck you're so fortunate to be drowning in. Now, care to try again? I could use a bit of more passion from you, but at least you're not resisting. Now that I care for you, regardless of how insufferable you're being, tonight we will sleep in the same bed, and no, you cannot convince me otherwise. Nothing interesting will happen. I'm just getting you used to it. I can give you time. Now, I'll undo the restraints. Don't try anything. I still have guards outside. Even I know you're not that stupid. Lie back down. All right. I'll spoon you and wrap my arms around you, and that's how we'll sleep. Sleep tight, human. The sooner you accept all of this, the sooner you can be happy. Try again tomorrow.